Budgeting feels hard because most people think they must track everything, every coffee, every snack, every tiny purchase. Complexity turns money into stress before progress even begins. Traditional budgets ask you to divide life into endless categories: food, transport, entertainment, savings, emergencies, subscriptions. The system becomes heavier than the problem it tries to solve. When budgeting requires constant attention, the brain rebels. Humans do not fail budgets. Complicated budgets fail humans. What if money management needed only one decision instead of hundreds? Remove the complexity and clarity immediately appears. The one-number budget works by separating money automatically before you ever spend it. First, essential bills are handled, no thinking required. Next, money moves to your future self. Savings and investments happen quietly in the background, without relying on motivation or discipline. What remains becomes your guilt-free spending number, one clear amount you can spend without tracking every detail. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" you ask one simple question: is it inside my number? Decision made instantly. The brain loves simplicity. Fewer decisions mean less fatigue, fewer mistakes, and a higher chance of long-term consistency. Most budgets fail because they demand perfect behavior. The one-number budget succeeds because it designs behavior automatically. Automation turns financial progress into a background process. Wealth grows quietly while you live your life normally. Month after month, the system repeats itself. No constant tracking, no emotional negotiation, just steady forward movement. The real goal of budgeting is not restriction, it is permission. Permission to spend without guilt and save without stress. Income flows in. Money splits automatically. One number guides daily choices. Complexity disappears, and consistency takes over. Stop tracking every penny. Design one number that protects your future and frees your present. Simple systems build lasting wealth.